Google DeepMind just dropped Gemma 4, their most powerful family of open weights models yet, and it's completely free under an Apache 2.0 license. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Gemma 4 locally on your own machine, how to run it with zero API costs, and why local execution is an absolute game changer for your workflow. Let's dive in. To run Gemma 4 in your local machine, first you have to install Allama, the high-level LLM runtime engine. Then go to the command window and run the command Allama run Gemma 4. In few minutes, when you see the success message, you can test by giving a prompt. You can use Gemma 4 from the UI. Start Allama app. Select the Gemma 4 model. Give the prompt. Because it is released under the Apache 2.0 license, it is entirely free for commercial use, modification, and private fine-tuning. It features day one optimization across platforms, running efficiently via Allama, llama.cpp, GGUF, and WebGPU for in-browser execution. On Mac OS, it heavily leverages Metal for accelerated performance. On Windows/Linux, workflows benefit from NVIDIA RTX GPUs and Unsloth Studio for fast local fine-tuning. Your marginal cost per prompt drops to zero. You can run massive, iterative data pipelines overnight, test multiple prompts on a loop, or let autonomous agents execute complex, multi-step workflows without a single billing surprise. Gemma 4 processes everything entirely offline. You can safely feed it proprietary source code, private business records, unreleased scripts, or internal database schemas. This gives you the reasoning depth of a massive model at the blazing fast execution speeds of a lightweight 4B model right on a single consumer GPU or Mac. You can drop massive local repositories or entire project histories directly into the model's memory context with minimal local RAM/VRAM inflation. Gemma 4 is fully Apache 2.0. This means you have absolute freedom to modify the architecture, fine-tune it locally on your own niche datasets. Zero latency from network round trips, and zero downtime if your internet cuts out. Whether you are debugging code on a flight, processing video assets in a remote location, or running automated scripts on a closed local area network, your workflow remains completely uninterrupted.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Bye.